How acne appears on your face and how to get it out of your life. Third part. How are my dear friends of YouTuber? We will continue giving you the recipes to eliminate the annoying acne of your face. 22 Aspirin with tomato. Did not you know that tomato also has benefits for our skin? Well, that's the way it is, and I want to talk to you a little about the advantages of this fruit on your skin that will help you prevent or avoid acne. The tomato is a natural product which has many vitamins. Among them we have vitamin A and vitamin C. And not only that. It also has a high content of rich minerals such as iron, calcium, or zinc that are perfect for the regeneration and freshness of our skin. The tomato is an astringent and natural moisturizer that helps fight oily skin, acne, and scars caused by pimples or pimples. How can we prepare this beneficial mask? In your blender place 3 aspirins and half a tomato, without water. Blend both ingredients until a smooth and applicable blend is obtained. Pour the mask into a container. Before applying the mask, I recommend that you wash your face deeply with warm water so that the pores are opened, and in this way the mask penetrates more easily. Once you have washed your face, dry it with a clean towel. With a flat brush or with your fingertips apply the mask from the top of your face to the lowest. Let it act and let it dry for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes have passed, wash your face with plenty of water and dry it with a clean towel. 23 Aspirin with yogurt. And we continue with the masks and the recipes or remedies for acne with aspirin. And is that aspirin is a pill for acne, very beneficial and versatile since you can join it with almost any natural product. This time we will talk about yogurt, but what benefits does it bring? Yogurt has 3 main benefits. In the first we find that it is a natural moisturizer, which keeps your face free of impurities and fresh all day. The second benefit is that you can use it as an exfoliant with aspirin to remove dead skin. Finally, we have that the yogurt is perfect to fight against acne thanks to its high zinc content and its acid pH. Now let's see how to prepare and apply this mask. In a bowl or container place 3 tablets of aspirin and gently crush until you get a powder that will serve as an exfoliant. Add the yogurt, taking care that it is not too much for you to let the aspirin do its job. Mix gently so that the aspirin does not dissolve. Make sure you have cleaned your face before applying the scrub. Once your face is clean and dry, apply the exfoliant with your fingertips and rub it over your face in a circular way for 5 minutes. Once ready, wash your face with plenty of water and wash it with a clean towel. 24 Aspirin with rose water. While aspirin is still perfect as an analgesic which prevents pimples, blackheads, and blackheads from hurting, it is also perfect to dry them and thus disappear much faster. Rose water will help moisturize the skin and regenerate areas where dead skin has already fallen, so aspirin will not leave your face very dry. It also works very well for faces with oily skin since moisturization is an important key when you suffer from oily skin. To apply this recipe, just follow the following steps. In a container place 3 tablets of aspirin and crush them to get a small powder. Add the rose water and mix until the aspirin dissolves completely. If you wish, you can also perform the above steps in a blender. Apply the mask on your face with your fingertips. Let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes and then remove it with plenty of water. Dry your face with a clean towel. 25 Aspirin with baking soda and lemon. This is the last mixture that we will be talking about aspirin, and this is a mixture especially if you have many spots caused by acne. Sodium bicarbonate is a bleach par excellence, and you should know all the benefits that aspirin brings you. The lemon is used in this case as an antioxidant and to bind aspirin and bicarbonate. Just like the previous recipes, you will need a container in which you will place all the ingredients. 2. Mix the 3 ingredients until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. 3. Apply on your face with the tips of your fingers and emphasize areas with spots. 4. Once applied to your face, rub for 5 minutes and let it rest for about 15 more. 5. Over time, wash your face with cold water and dry it with a clean towel. 26 Home remedies for acne with medicinal plants. Finally, I want you to take a list of medicinal plants that will help you in the same way to improve and in many cases eliminate acne. This time I will not give you a step-by-step explanation of how to prepare them since all of them are prepared in the same way. Here we go with the medicinal plants to disappear your acne. Garlic, aloe vera, cilantro, basil, cucumber, grape, garbanzo, parboiled, beet, nettle, dandelion, cabbage, oats, papaya. How to prepare a mask with any of the medicinal plants. Then I will show you a single-step guide that will serve to prepare masks with each of the medicinal plants that I showed you previously. The only thing you will need is a little lemon for each medicinal plant. I recommend that you have a blender handy for each of the preparations. Remember to place the lemon juice that will act as an antioxidant so that the medicinal plants do not spoil. Like all recipes, you only have to put the medicinal plant on your face and leave it for 20 or 30 minutes to act. And then remove it from your face with plenty of water and dry your face with a clean towel. Well my dear, with this we complete the third chapter. If you like, do not stop giving it like and subscribe to my channel. And I ask you, please do not stop sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. Good friends, I would like to say goodbye to you, not without first thanking you for everything and wish you all the best this week with many blessings and a big hug.